How to make $1,000 a month online, without selling anything. The dream of passive income or a substantial side hustle is enticing. What if we told you it's possible to make a consistent $1,000 a month online without ever needing to stock or ship a single product? Here's a detailed guide on various proven methods to achieve this goal by leveraging your skills, time, and online resources efficiently. 1. Freelancing. One of the most straightforward ways to earn online without selling is by monetizing your existing skills. Whether you're a whiz at writing, editing, or graphic design, these skills are in high demand. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer can connect you with clients. Platforms to consider. Upwork, a platform where you can find gigs in writing, graphic design, programming, and more. Fiverr offers quick gigs that start at $5 but can go much higher. Freelancer, another great platform to showcase your skills and get hired for various projects. Success story. Emily, a passionate bookworm, turned her love for storytelling into a successful freelance writing career. She started by pitching articles to online magazines and gradually built a client base by offering her services on freelance platforms. Steps to get started. Create a profile. Highlight your skills, experience, and portfolio. Bid on projects. Search for projects that match your skills and submit proposals. Deliver quality work. Ensure you deliver high-quality work to get positive reviews and repeat clients. Potential earnings. Depending on your skills and the demand, you can easily make $1,000 a month by working on several projects simultaneously. 2. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. Tasks can range from email management and scheduling to social media management and data entry. The demand for virtual assistants is constantly growing. Success story. Sarah, a stay-at-home mom, found a flexible way to contribute to the household income by becoming a virtual assistant. She started with basic tasks like email management and gradually expanded her services to include social media marketing and customer support. Steps to get started. Identify your services. Determine what tasks you can offer based on your skills. Set up profiles. Use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or specialized VA websites. Promote your services. Network and use social media to find potential clients. Deliver quality service. Ensure you meet client expectations to build a good reputation. Potential earnings. Depending on the complexity of tasks, virtual assistants can charge between $15 to $50 per hour. 3. Online tutoring and teaching. If you have a deep understanding of a subject, consider online tutoring or teaching. Platforms like TutorMe and VIPKid connect tutors with students worldwide. You can teach anything from math and science to languages and music. Success story. Michael, a retired teacher, found a new purpose by tutoring students online. He specialized in math and science, offering personalized lessons to students struggling with these subjects. Steps to get started. Sign up on tutoring platforms. Register on platforms like TutorMe, VIPKid, or Wizant. Complete your profile. Highlight your expertise and experience. Find students. Apply for tutoring gigs that match your expertise. Deliver effective lessons. Ensure you provide valuable and engaging tutoring sessions. Potential earnings. Depending on the subject and level, online tutors can earn $20 to $50 per hour. 4. Creating content on YouTube. YouTube is a powerful platform where you can earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and more without selling anything directly. Monetization methods. Ad revenue. Earn money from ads displayed on your videos through YouTube's partner program. Sponsorships. Companies may pay you to promote their products in your videos. Channel memberships and Super Chat. Fans can pay for exclusive content or to highlight their comments during live streams. Success story. David, a fitness enthusiast, started a YouTube channel to share workout routines and healthy recipes. He gained a loyal following by consistently providing valuable content and eventually launched an online coaching program. Steps to get started. Create a YouTube channel. Set up your channel with a clear niche and target audience. Produce quality content. Upload engaging, high-quality videos regularly. Grow your audience. promote your videos on social media, collaborate with other YouTubers, and use SEO strategies. Potential earnings. With consistent uploads and a growing audience, making $1,000 a month through YouTube ad revenue and sponsorships is attainable. 5. Blogging. Blogging allows you to share your knowledge and passion with the world while earning money through various non-sales methods. Monetization methods. Ad networks, Google AdSense, Mediavine, and AdThrive pay you for displaying ads on your blog. Affiliate marketing. Promote other companies' products and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Sponsored posts. Get paid to write posts promoting a company's product or service. Success story. David, a fitness enthusiast, started a blog to share workout routines and healthy recipes. He gained a loyal following by consistently providing valuable content and eventually launched an online coaching program. Steps to get started. Choose a niche. Pick a niche you're passionate about and has a good audience base. Set up your blog. Use platforms like WordPress, Blogger, or Wix. Create quality content. Regularly publish well-researched, engaging content. Promote your blog. Use social media, SEO, and other strategies to drive traffic. Potential earnings. With consistent traffic and effective monetization, making $1,000 a month is achievable within a few months. 6. Online surveys and focus groups. Participating in online surveys and focus groups is a simple way to earn money in your spare time. Platforms to consider. Swagbucks, Earn Points, SB, for taking surveys, watching videos, and more, which can be redeemed for gift cards or PayPal cash. Survey Junkie, get paid to share your opinions through surveys. Vindale Research, earn cash for completing surveys and participating in focus groups. Steps to get started. Sign up. Create accounts on multiple survey sites to maximize your opportunities. Complete your profile. Provide accurate information to receive relevant survey invitations. Participate regularly. Set aside time each day to complete surveys and participate in focus groups. Potential earnings. While individual surveys may not pay much, consistent participation can add up to $1,000 a month. 7. Podcasting. If you enjoy talking, podcasting might be your calling. Choose a niche, create engaging content, and build a listener base. You can generate revenue through advertising, sponsorships, and premium content. Success story. Lisa, a history buff, created a podcast exploring historical events and figures. She gained popularity by interviewing experts and sharing unique perspectives, attracting sponsors and affiliate marketing opportunities. Steps to get started. Choose a niche. Pick a topic you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Create and record content. Plan your episodes and start recording. Distribute your podcast. Use platforms like Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and Google Podcasts to reach a wider audience. Monetize. Once you have a steady listener base, start monetizing through ads, sponsorships, and premium content. Potential earnings. Depending on your niche and listener base, podcasting can become a significant income stream. 8. Writing and self-publishing ebooks. If you have a flair for writing, self-publishing ebooks can be a lucrative way to earn money without directly selling anything physical. Platforms to consider. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, the most popular platform for self-publishing ebooks. Smashwords distributes your ebooks to multiple retailers. Barnes & Noble Press allows you to publish and sell your ebooks on their platform. Steps to get started. Write your ebook. Choose a topic you're knowledgeable about and write a well-structured ebook. Format your ebook. Ensure your ebook is properly formatted for different devices. Publish and promote. Upload your ebook to your chosen platform and promote it through social media, email marketing, and more. Potential earnings. Depending on your niche and marketing efforts, you can earn passive income that accumulates to $1,000 a month or more. Conclusion. Earning $1,000 a month online without selling anything is entirely possible with the right strategies and dedication. By focusing on your skills, providing value to others, and leveraging the power of the internet, you can achieve your goal of making $1,000 a month without selling anything. Remember to be patient and consistent as you build your online income streams. Whether you choose freelancing, virtual assistants, blogging, online surveys, YouTube, podcasting, or self-publishing, each method offers unique opportunities to leverage your skills and time effectively. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.